Hi guys, so you might have seen my video about my robot part 1 and I said that I would do a video of would it work outside. It's been 50 minutes when I last checked from that video now because I had my tea. But now I'm gonna do it. So let's go outside on the Denkin and then you'll see if it works. Well, let's go. So here, so we know that it works indoors, the robot vacuum. Well, let's see if it moves outside. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So it does work outside. So just have a nice view of outside. Right, just put this back inside. Okay, so that's it. So now you guys know if it works outside. But we want to see if it works on the grass. You've got to wait until I reach 70 subscribers. So, please subscribe and then you will see that video will it work on grass.